Good morning, cookies. We have to catch up on our calendar since we've been out Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and now it is Tuesday. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. We're going to see if you can guess what you think Saturday's pattern piece will be. We started with a circle, then a rectangle, then a triangle, then a square, and now, drum roll, we have, you're right, it's a clock. What's a clock shaped like? Yes, a clock is shaped like a circle. It is round, it's flat, and it has no sides. Exactly. So, then Sunday is... It's a window. What's the window shaped like? Yes, a rectangle. 2 short sides, 2 long sides. So if we had a circle and a rectangle shape in yesterday's, it's probably, let's see if you're right. Here we go. It's a triangle. 1, 2, 3 sides. This is a flag called a pennant. And then, yesterday was a special day. It was Labor Day. And today, let's see if you're right. It's a checkerboard. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. And they are all the same. That's that special rectangle we learned about called a square. So if we look back on here, we had a circle. Say it with me. Rectangle. Triangle, square, circle, rectangle, triangle, and square. So you're going to make a guess, a prediction about tomorrow's pattern piece. Now, we know that every day has a name. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And if we look at today and go up, it starts with a T. Tuesday. Let's count and see what the number of the month it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Today is September 8th, 2020. Let's review the months. Let me fix this so you can see all of them. There we go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So while we're over here, before we move over, I'm going to see how well you can remember dots on a 5 frame. So I'm going to flash, and then you have to quickly tell me what it is. Are you ready? How many were on there? Show me with your fingers. You're right. 1. Let's try another one. You ready? How many were on there? You're right. There were 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, ready for the next one? Here we go. How many were on there? Yep, 2. Let's do one more. Ready? How many dots are on here? You're right, there's 5. Okay, cookies, we're going to move over to the other side of our number corner. How are you today? We're doing good. I'm going to lift you guys up a little bit. Be patient with me. We're working on it. There we go. Okay, my dears. You ready? We need to add a dot to the calendar collector up here. Not the calendar collector, the 10 frame. But in this case, we're not going to use a red dot today. We're going to use a blue one. So, we're going to change colors, and we're going to add a blue dot. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red dots up here and 1 blue dot. So 5 and 1 make 6. You are correct. So we need to add a link. What color do you think that link's going to be today? Blue, my favorite color. So we're going to add that on here. And we're going to count here. Now, if we know we already had 5, but it's been the weekend, so we're going to count again and make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 red plus 1 blue make 6 links. And now I need to write the number 6. And I know you're going, but the calendar said 8. Guess what, guys? That's the number of the month for this year, but these are how many days we've had school, and we didn't have school on Saturday or Sunday or Monday, so they don't count. So we're going to make a 6. So we're going to come right around and give it a curl. I'm going to show you real big. Coming up. Give Miss B a chance. Up here. Come right around. Give it a curl. So, my dears, we are going to move on, and we're going to go to our calendar collector. Now I'm going to do a quick spin. And it landed on the number 1. So I'm going to get 1. How many is this? Show me with your fingers. Okay, this is going into the calendar collector for today. But guess what? We're at the end of the first week for calendar. I know, it's Tuesday. They go by 5 days for calendar, so every 5 days, we call it the end of the week. I don't know why. Okay, we got it. So, we're going to take these all out. Now, if I have them all in my hands like this, am I really going to know how many are there? No, we're not. We're going to need to count them. So what Miss B is going to do is move you over so you can see under a special camera called a document camera. So we're going to move over here. I'm going to put you guys right here. And I want you to look right back here, because I'm going to be off to the side doing this under the camera. So I'm just going to lay these here. I could count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Might be a little hard to know. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to organize them. I'm going to bring out an 10 frame. And this is a little slow catching up to Miss B. There we go. So we have our 10 frame. This is 2 5 frames. You know how you know it's a 10 frame? You count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. Okay, so we're going to put 1 in each square. And I always start on the left and move to the right, just the way we write and read. And I start at the top and I go down, same with the way we write and read, because it makes it a little more organized for me. So when we look up here, we're going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm going to take those 9 and I'm going to connect them all together. Just like this. And I'm going to keep adding until they are one long train, just like this. And then, oops, almost came off the stand. We're going to put them in this pocket right here. And I'm going to look in my cards that are in here to see if I have a number 9. I don't. So I'm going to find a 9 card and stick it right up here so I know how many's in this pocket. And then at the end of the month, we're going to put them all together and find out how many cubes we collected for the whole month. Next month will be a different shape. So, cookies. Don't forget, keep practicing counting, look for numbers everywhere, and have a wonderful day.